Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Airtable bases, manage data and automation step by step clearly. Visit the Airtable website at airtable.com. Click on the login button located in the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Click on the Continue button. You will receive an email with a verification link if you are using email login. Check your email inbox for this confirmation message. Click on the link provided in that email. If you have an Airtable account linked to Google, select the Login with Google option. You will be redirected to a Google sign-in page. Enter your Google credentials if prompted. Once logged in, you will land on your Airtable dashboard. Locate the Bases section on your dashboard. Click on the base you want to access. Your selected base will open, displaying all the data and tables inside. Utilize the navigation pane on the left to explore different tables within the base. To manage data, click on individual cells to edit information. You can add new records by clicking on the plus icon at the bottom of each table. For automations, look for the Automations tab at the top of your base. Click on it to set up new automations. Follow the prompts to create triggers and actions for your automations. Once your automations are configured, remember to enable them. Regularly check back to monitor the performance of your bases and automations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.